You hit play on a game through Steam and either nothing happens at all or it opens for half a second and then just vanishes right back to your desktop with no error message, no explanation, nothing. It's genuinely one of the most frustrating things because Steam usually just goes silent instead of telling you what actually went wrong. But here's the thing. This failure pattern is a lot more predictable than it feels in the moment, and I'm going to walk you through the exact order to troubleshoot it in, starting with the fix that solves this most often. The very first thing to try, before anything else, is verifying the game's files, since corrupted or missing files are genuinely the single most common cause of a game instantly crashing or refusing to launch at all. Right-click the game in your Steam library, choose Properties, click on the Local Files tab, and click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let that process run all the way through. It checks every file against what it should be and automatically repairs or re-downloads anything that's damaged or missing. This alone fixes a huge chunk of crashing issues, especially if you've recently moved the game between drives or had an interrupted download at some point. Next, make sure the game itself is actually fully updated. Even if you never fully close Steam, games can still be sitting there partially updated in the background, and the game that's out of date, especially an online game, will sometimes just refuse to launch properly or crash immediately. Go to your library, select the game, and check if there's an update pending, and if so, let it finish completely before trying to launch again. From there, update your graphics drivers, and this is important. Go directly to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's own website, rather than relying on whatever Windows Update installs automatically, since Windows often ships driver builds that are months out of date. A mismatched or outdated graphics driver is one of the most common causes of a game briefly flashing on screen and then crashing straight back to desktop with zero error message. Since newer games often need DirectX 12 or Vulkan features that older driver builds simply don't support yet. While you're troubleshooting, disable any overlays you have running. Things like the Discord overlay, GeForce Experiences overlay, Razer Synapse, or even Steam's own in-game overlay. These inject themselves into the game process to display their extra features, and they're a surprisingly common cause of instant crashes, especially after one of them gets updated and briefly becomes incompatible with a specific game. Turn them off one at a time and test if that resolves it. If the game you're trying to launch uses anti-cheat, something like Easy Anti-Cheat or BattlEye, and the crash happens the moment the game tries to start, try repairing or reinstalling that anti-cheat service specifically, since these components sometimes get corrupted independently of the actual game files, and Steam's Verify function doesn't always catch that. It's also worth checking whether your antivirus software or Windows Defender's controlled folder access might be quietly interfering, particularly with games running kernel-level anti-cheat, since aggressive security software can quarantine a game's executable or block its anti-cheat service without giving you any real warning that it happened. Try adding your entire Steam library folder as an exclusion in your antivirus settings, then verify the game's files again afterward, and relaunch. If a specific game stopped working right after a recent Windows update, know that this genuinely does happen. Several cumulative Windows updates have introduced launch regressions for specific games in the past, and Microsoft typically ships a follow-up fix within a couple weeks once enough people report it. Check Settings, then Windows Update to make sure you're on the latest cumulative update, since the fix for your exact issue might already be sitting there waiting to install. If you've worked through all of that and you're still stuck, try adding a launch option to force the game into a more basic mode. Right-click the game, choose Properties, and look for a field to add launch options. Then try typing -DX11 to force DX11 instead of a newer API, or -Windowed to force windowed mode instead of full screen, since both of these can sometimes bypass whatever specific rendering issue is causing the crash. And finally, if a game is running fine according to Steam, meaning it shows as running in your library, but no actual window ever opens, try launching the game's executable file directly from its install folder, instead of through Steam. This tells you clearly whether the problem is something in Steam's handoff process itself, or whether it's genuinely the game crashing on its own regardless of how it's launched, which points you toward very different next steps depending on the result. If none of this resolves it for one specific stubborn game, that's usually the point where checking that game's own Steam community discussions pays off, since other players hitting the exact same title often figure out very specific quirks that generic troubleshooting won't catch. If this helped you get your games running again, drop a like. It really helps this channel out. And if you want more practical gaming and tech fixes like this one, go ahead and subscribe, because there's plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.